I got this customer's Jeep in, gonna do the transmission on it and stuff like that. But we went to drain the transfer case. I think we're probably gonna have to go through the transfer case too.
Surprise!
Yeah.
That can't be too good.
I bet it's probably full of rust.
Probably.
Well, that's what we get into. This thing has just been a mess under here.
Had to dig it out.
All the connectors that where they plug in, you can see how the wiring's rotted off of them.
We'll be replacing.
Same way with the up through here too. I mean, these things are just a mess. So
But we'll probably get it back going good.
we'll try to get this out in the park, get it back to them in a couple days. Y'all stay tuned.
Okay, guys. We had a Jeep earlier. We're 2 for 2 today. We had milk chocolate. Let's see what's in this one. That can't be normal. I don't think they make brown chocolate.
Oh, that's got a lot of silver in it.
Yep. Well, we'll have to get this one taken apart. We're gonna get the tranny out, be rebuilding it at the same time. So y'all guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching.